2013 was a year of milestones for the programs and advocacies of ABS-CBN Foundation International. For Bantay Bata, Green Fund, and Bantay Kalikasan, we celebrate our triumphs with you. It was also a year when calamities and tragedies put the Filipino spirit to the test. Pero sa likod ng lahat ng ito, nagkapit-bisig tayo bilang mga kapamilya. Sa iba't ibang paraan, kayo po ay nagmamalasakit, nagbukas ng inyong puso, nagbigay ng pag-asa. You made a difference in the lives of our kapamilya. Maraming salamat po. Our efforts for rebuilding and rehabilitation continue. You may still send in your donations to ABS-CBN Foundation International. Sama-sama tayo sa pagbangon kapamilya.